secret to speed. Welcome to the Global Bridge. This is the place where we break the walls of language and open the doors to the world. Are you tired of studying for years and seeing no results? Are you ready to stop being a student and start being a speaker? In today's episode, we are diving deep into the mindset of fast learning. We are moving beyond the classroom and into the real world. Get ready to change the way you think, the way you listen, and the way you live. This is the path to fluency. This is your journey to speed. Let's begin. Hello, everyone, and welcome to a very special session. Today, we are going to talk about something that many people believe is impossible. We are talking about how to learn English, not in 10 years, not in 5 years, but in a very short, intense period of time. When I was young, people told me that learning a new language was for the rich. They told me it was for people with high IQs or people who went to the best schools, but they were wrong. I had no money. I had no expensive teachers. I had no internet back then, but I had one thing that was stronger than any obstacle. I had a dream. I saw English as a bridge to a bigger world, and I was determined to cross that bridge as fast as possible. If you want to move fast, you must first change your mindset. Most students fail because they treat English like a monster. They look at a grammar book and they see thousands of rules and they feel tired. Their heart closes, their brain shuts down. Listen to me carefully. If you hate what you are doing, you will never be fast. Your brain rejects what it hates. But when you love something, your brain becomes like a sponge. It absorbs everything without effort. So the first step to speed is to find the joy. Stop thinking of English as a subject in a school. Think of it as your best friend. You do not fear a friend. You do not avoid a friend. You spend time with your friend every single day because you want to, not because you have to. The second secret to speed is immersion. People think they need to travel to America or England to learn fast. That is a lie. You can build your own England right in your bedroom. We live in a world of technology. Change your phone settings to English. Change your laptop to English. Every time you touch your screen, your eyes should see English words. Listen to podcasts while you are cooking. Watch movies without your native subtitles. At first, you will understand nothing, and that is perfect. It means your brain is waking up. It is being forced to survive in a new world. The people who learn fast are those who breathe English from the moment they wake up to the moment they go to sleep. Now, let's talk about the biggest mistake people make: translation. Most learners hear a word, translate it to their own language, and then translate it back. This is like trying to run a race with heavy chains tied to your legs. It is slow and it is exhausting. To be fast, you must think in English. When you see a tree, do not think of the word in your language. Think tree. When you are hungry, do not translate. Just say to yourself, I need food. It will be difficult at first, but slowly your brain will rewire itself. You will stop using your native language as a middleman. When you start thinking in English, that is the day you truly become free. If you want to speak fluently in a short time, you must also use the power of your ears. Language is not a set of rules, it is a rhythm, it is a sound. Children do not study grammar for years before they speak. They listen. They listen for 2 years before they say their first sentence. You must do the same. Listen to how people talk. Listen to their tone, their energy, and how they connect their words. Use a technique called shadowing. Listen to a speaker and repeat exactly what they say as they are saying it. Copy their voice, copy their emotion. This trains your mouth and your brain at the same time. This is the fastest way to build muscle memory in your tongue. But here's the most important lesson of all. You must be shameless. The biggest wall standing between you and your dream is fear. You are afraid that people will laugh at your accent. You are afraid that your grammar is broken. Listen to me. A child falls 100 times before they learn to walk. Nobody laughs at the child because falling is a part of growing. Every mistake you make is a step forward. Every time you say something wrong, you are one step closer to saying it right. The world does not belong to the people who speak perfect English. The world belongs to the people who are brave enough to speak even when they are not perfect. Speed comes from focus. Do not try to learn everything at once. Focus on communication. Focus on expressing your ideas. If you can explain what you want, even with simple words, you have won. Perfection is the enemy of speed. If you wait until you are perfect, you will never start. So, starting today, I want you to make a promise to yourself. Promise that you will not be afraid. Promise that you will be consistent. Even if you have 15 minutes, use those 15 minutes with all your heart. Surround yourself with the language. Listen until your ears are tired. Speak until your mouth is tired. And never, ever give up. English is not just a language. It is the key to a new life. It is the door to new friends, new jobs, and a new way of seeing the world. You have the power inside you. You have the passion. Now go out there, be brave, and show the world what you can do. Thank you for listening. Your journey starts now.